You open it. What is that?
Oh no.
What's in there?
Oh no. Bubbles.
What else is in there?
I can put bubbles.
You can pop the bubbles. Is there anything else in the box?
Yeah. That's tea. Oh, what's this? Open it. Can you open it?
Sure, what is it? Bring it over here, let me see.
It's... Wow.
What's that say? It says it's a cupcake sandbox set. Yeah?
Cupcake sample?
Yeah, to play with it with your sand in your sandbox.
I'll play with it.
Okay, let's look. Is there anything else in there?
Yeah?
Okay, I'll open it up and see.
Let's see. Finding a box.
A box. Oh man. Here. Daddy, can you come help please? Because I can't do both the video and pull it out for him. Oh, look at how strong you are. Whoa. Well,
What's this?
no, I'm going to need some help.
Oh.
Oh, some paint. Gotta pee. Gotta pee.
Come on,
Daddy's
come on.
gonna take you into the bathroom. Gotta pee.